So isa po sa mahigpit na pinagbilin ng ating ang aming butihing chairman na yung pagsasagawa po ng ating mga clearing operations. As we all know, we have already established several mabuhay lanes. And aside from that, meron din po tayong mga in-establish na mga alternative routes which we have already disseminated sa ating mga social media pages and also sa ibang mga channels po natin. So itong ating clearing operation drive, this is not only because we have a upcoming rebuild ng ating major thoroughfare which is the EDSA, but this is also part of our efforts to clean up ang ating mga kalsada. As we all know, the volume of vehicles, the traffic congestion is already one of the growing problems that we have sa ating mga kalsada. So ang ating clearing efforts is to manage also and to lessen, mabigyan ng agarang solusyon to come up with a abrupt resolution sa problema po natin sa traffic. So all our clearing efforts, lahat po yan, hindi lang po double time, but we are also tripling up our efforts. Hindi lang po ito sa mga mabuhay lanes, as I said. We have already designated several alternate routes na kung saan gagamitin po ito ng ating mga motorista coming from the south, going to the north, from east going to west. So lahat po ito, ang clearing efforts ng ating ahensya is not only limited to illegal parking, but also yung call po ng ating gobyerno and also the call of the public to also mitigate yung problema po natin sa safe passage ng mga pedestrians po natin. So at the same time, we're clearing illegal parking, we're clearing obstructions, and we are also trying to make ating mga ruta, ating mga kalsada, mga sidewalks po natin walkable. To clarify also, hindi naman po natin pinipigilan or we're not limiting ang ating mga kababayan na maghanap buhay. We understand that each and every one of us kailangan po natin to make a living, kailangan po natin may iuwi sa ating mga pamilya. But then again, ang lagi po natin pinapaalalahanan, we cannot hamper or at the expense ng public safety. Alam naman po natin, we have several instances na ang mga vendors po umaabot na po sa kalsada, which in return nagkakaroon ng traffic congestion problem sa ating mga motorista. And aside from that, as I said, mga pedestrian, ang mga sidewalk po dapat po ay nilalakaran ng ating mga kababayan nang hindi lang po as a passage but as safe passage para sa kanila. So ang mga vendors po natin, as much as possible when we conduct clearing operations, hindi naman po natin sila totally dinedemolish, but we try to mitigate them na alisin po. Meron naman pong mga ways and means, meron pong mga tindahan, meron pong mga specific place na kung saan nakakapagtinda ng maayos, ng safe ang ating mga kababayan. But then again, yung kagustuhan po natin na to expand our business, hindi naman po dapat masacrifice ang mobility and also sacrifice the safety of other road users.